Winter is here. Today, I'm working on the cabin air temperature sensor in a 2004 Sierra. Let's get to work. Here we are backed into the shop. Let's take a closer look at what's going on. You will know you need a new cabin air sensor when you hear this noise. You know, I am 45 years old and my echolocation is not what it once was. It took me a good 2 weeks to figure out where this noise was coming from. I thought it was coming from the dash down on the side over here, the left-hand side where all of these lights are and controls, and I thought it was maybe a timer or I didn't know what it was. I mean, it sounded like a little motor with the bearing going bad, but I couldn't figure out. And then one day, I looked up. This little vent right here, this little round vent, do you hear it? It's not that loud, but I bought a part to replace it, so let's do it. Here's the part. It's tiny. And I wanted to show you this part in the bag still to prove that I didn't cheap out and buy some knockoff part like I usually do. So round of applause, please. I got genuine GM and I found it on Amazon. So I'll put a link in the description. If you need to do this, you can buy that too. It's an Amazon affiliate link. I will get a small commission, but thank you in advance. Now let's get inside and take all of this apart. We pull this off, reach up in there, unplug it, put in the new. It should be pretty easy, but well, famous last words, right? Let's go. The next thing I'm going to do is use a small plastic pry tool and pry this out, because this has some little barbed connectors, and that's what's holding it on from the back side. So they connect together. Oh, I was successful. I was really scared I was gonna snap something. But that looks good. And now that thing just flops around up inside there. All right, so I just put the new one back in, and you had to use one hand reaching in through the headliner and the other hand with that little clip to press it in place. So you have to hold it right over the hole and then snap this thing in. These things just pinch from the top and the bottom, and that's how it stays in place. I have the truck on, the key on right now, and I don't hear a thing. I love it. Well, this was success, and it went really fast. I'm surprised. I did, be careful because this headliner is tight. I did scrape the top of my hand. I was a little concerned about getting dirt on here and blood, and but it's not even dripping blood. It's just a scrape. This looks good. This is a job done. Well, it's not every day you get a fast, easy one like that, so I will take the W on this one for sure. Thank you so much for following along. Please like and subscribe. I will see you all on the next one. Bye.